Well, hello, folks out there in YouTube land. Got a big show lined up for you. Let's get right on into it. All right, let's pull up the screen. Ilus, mighty Ilus. We're going to have a little update. It looks like a possible uplist to the Otcqb. Do a little shorts update, so let's get into Ilus. All right, it says Ilus confirms the appointment of its official auditors. It says they've appointed a company to do the auditing for them. They're expected to complete it by the summer of 2022. It says after completing the audit, Ilus will file its Form 10 with the SEC to become a fully reporting entity. And here it says to uplist from the OTC Pink Market, which they currently are, to the Otcqb, which is a higher listing. And of course, it does require more auditing. It says the company they're using is an independent firm, and they are registered with the Public Company Accounting Oversight Board in the United States. So it looks like this is pretty solid. And they said they're using them because they also have operations in the Middle East, Europe, and the United States, which, as you know, Ilus is an international company, very much so. It said, Nick Link said the progress we've made with our plans for ERT and other Ilus subsidiaries this year has been excellent. Now, in parallel, the parent company itself has the opportunity to uplist the Otcqb, another significant step forward for Ilus. And he actually said this is ahead of schedule. And they believe the Otcqb will attract further interest from institutional investors and large private investors. It's basically, when you're on the Otcqb, people can be more comfortable because the books have been audited, and it just gives the company more credibility is basically what it does. Now, we've had a lot going on. Good grief. Of course, we know about the inflation. We've got the Ukraine problem. There's the COVID issue. And that's actually getting a lot better. And I'm getting tired of saying Rona. It's COVID. And YouTube will probably shadow ban me and all that for saying it, but so be it. It's COVID. Anyway, it looks like it's really coming down. This Omicron doesn't seem to be near the problem that it was. 7-day average of 32,000. So that's big all the way around. We need to get rid of this Omicron. It's just been a pain in the butt. And if you've got any high growth stocks or really anything on the NASDAQ, you've gotten, it feels like a 2x4 upside your head.
Right here. Not here or here so much, but right here.
Nope.
Yep, right here. It sucked. But hopefully, we'll see how this thing rolls. But let's take a look at Ilus, their chart. Now, as you can see, we're sticking around 13 cents right now. I actually put in a buy order today at 12, which is about half a cent higher. I was putting it at 11.5 to get to this bottom right here, the support, but I upped it by half a cent, and of course it didn't hit it today, so that got unfilled. So be it. I'll try again tomorrow. It may not pull back. It may go on up. But anyway, I have noticed that we're having a little less swings. It's almost like the people that buy Ilus got alerted about the manipulation. Might have been this guy.
How's bragging camp going?
All right, so let's see what the shorts are up to. Okay, we're sitting at 33% of the volume. That's down from 60, but up from as little as 15. So we're not getting manipulated quite as much. And I think the shorts are probably not real happy about that because that's how they make their money.
I'll turn this damn bus around. That'll end your precious little field trip pretty damn quick, huh?
Yeah, I don't think they're real happy, and that's okay. I really don't care. Anyway, that's what's going on with Ilus. So like I said, I'm going to keep trying to pick it up down here at the 12 cents, and we're still waiting on something important. The biggest thing we're waiting on is the announcement of the European deal. We know Nick Link is in Eastern Europe, and that he's working on this deal. So hopefully at some point we'll be getting a update on that, because I think that'll be significant. I would expect that to be part of their Uplist spinoff. And we're still waiting on an update on their share count. I'd really like to see that. I'm getting tired of that not being updated. You know what? Let me double check that before I get on them. Yeah, no, it's still not been updated. It's still showing 1.221 as of November 24th. Hopefully that'll get updated at some point. That's getting a little tedious. And we know they're working on numerous acquisitions, one of which is a 9-figure deal in the U.S. And of course, we know this is a 9-figure deal as well. The uplist in 3 to 6 months with no reverse split, according to JP Backwell and Nick Link. And we know they're using the preferred and restricted shares for the purchases of these companies. And we understand they are restricted for approximately 2 years. And we know all about the water mist technology, the discussions with Tesla, and of course the Vera drones, which is very interesting. But I find this to be the most intriguing, one of the most intriguing penny stocks out there, especially since they're profitable. And the fact they're jumping on this auditing, that's going to give them a lot more credibility. So I feel good about the company long term. I'm just trying to pick it up at the cheapest price possible because I'm a tightwad. It's what I do. I didn't put the name Mr. Frugal on there because I like to be extravagant. So anyway, and that's an update on Ilus today. Just wanted to keep track of them. Looks like good news on the Uplist. Shorts are kind of, they're not sure what to do right now. They're kind of in limbo. And if you like this update, be sure to hit that like button. Lets me know to continue to cover Ilus. And if you haven't subscribed,
what are we waiting for? Take this!
That's right. What are you waiting for? Hit that button. Anyway, I hope you did like the content, and we'll see you next time on Mr. Frugal Investor.